Alright guys, I'm back on unboxing. It is My First Girlfriend is a Gal on Blu-ray DVD combo pack. This is the heaviest limited edition I've ever felt of. And I mean ever. I mean, it's brighter than anything that Funimation's ever released. Like, I think it's steel cardboard or whatever they used, or something. They might have used something different, but it's the shiniest and the prettiest. Pink's really not my color, but it's still, I guess you could say, cute. Anyway, front, bottom, even though even I can't read that. Top, at least I can read that. Spine. Let's see, has episodes. It's the complete series plus OVA. Hopefully this has a second season. 10 episodes plus OVA. Let's read that if you want. Region A and B. That's fine. Oh damn. Alright. Let's open this. It's not, no. Just the box. Whoa, this is got a different texture feel to it. Just that. And there's that. Nothing. Front. Spine. The back. She's favorite already. I really do not like her. Blu-ray disc 1 has episodes 1 to 8 plus extras. Blu-ray 2 has episodes 9 to 10. DVD 1 has episodes 1 to 6. And DVD 2 has episodes 7 to 10. Where'd this come from? Oh, right there. Oh, man. Still close fine? Yeah, still close is fine. Alright. Let's see what's the reversible cover like. I still prefer this one, but there's that. This also came with a booklet. Oh, a big heavy ass booklet. F cup. A cup. Wait. G cup. K cup. Panties, of course. I don't think this was... Oh, yeah, there's that. I don't think this was very perverted or very itchy at all. It's not like High School DxD or nothing, or Testing Sister New Devil. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, there's that. What the hell is this? See. Oh. That's what those was. Oh. Yeah, guys, that's my unboxing of... Oh, yeah. Back of those. Oh, they also have those out there, too. Alright, guys, that was my unboxing of My First Girlfriend as a Gal. Like I was saying, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.